If you're intending to install a second car seat, you want to set up the right side of the stroller just like on the left. Remove the canopy, install an outside and an inside hot shoe, and put the bumper bar down. Refer to the little pictogram. So this is the outside right, and this is the inside right. Always start with the left hand lower car seat first. Pull upwards to make sure it's properly engaged and lower the carrying handle. Then repeat with the right hand side. Make sure it's well engaged and lower the handle. Now you're ready to go.